Ian Bond, manufacturers and pioneers in full category specialty tapes. Duct tape is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use and can be used for temporary repairs of leaking pipes. It can be easily torn by hand without the need for additional tools, making it convenient to use. This tape is ideal for emergency repairs and temporary fixing tasks, such as bundling wood, cables, or water pipes, sealing boxes, repairing gaps, as well as daily emergency repairs and car emergency repairs. The silver tape can also be used as a decorative marker, making it an ideal tool for households, factories, and schools. Duct tape offers high cost effectiveness and a wide range of uses. With its natural strong adhesive properties, it is suitable for various scenarios such as sticking, bundling, repairing, reinforcing, and sealing.